Welcome to 1998, the year when saving files on floppy disks was still the norm. And this was our first ever Smart Autoresponder. Over the past 25 years, just like fashion, we've evolved from simple but smart autoresponders to a suite of online marketing tools. We've always been driven by our desire to innovate for you, so you could always stay in touch with those who matter to you most.
Hello, we are Sabaton, and we just came off the stage after a crazy show in Krakow. You know, we are keeping in touch with our fans through GetResponse, and so should you.
And come on, who could argue with that? We've journeyed from being one of the first on the market to produce autoresponders to now offering a powerhouse of marketing tools, all with the aim of making your life easier, no matter your budget or experience. And the result? Satisfying. And just like our products, our team has grown too. Over 25 years, our promise has remained unchanged. Innovative, easy-to-use marketing technology, accessible for everyone. This year, we're venturing even further into the future with our AI-powered tools, still paving the path and lighting a way forward for our customers. A quarter century may seem like a long time, but for us at GetResponse, it feels like just the beginning. So here's to 25 years of innovation, emails, and most importantly, you. Thank you for being with us on this journey. We couldn't have done it without you. Here's to 25 more.